In this tutorial, I will show you two methods to create this spring and explain when to use each method. First, we will create coil. So select coil, select this plane, place center point, and diameter would be 5 millimeters. So we have first coil created. First, we will go to these parameters. Section size won't be 1 millimeter, but we will say 0.8 millimeters. Height would be 9 millimeters, and revolutions, we want 8 revolutions. So it looks like this. But we don't want here to have circular section or profile. We will choose triangular external. So how it looks from top view, it looks like this. Now we have this circle centered, but we don't want it like that. We want to be inside. And now we have something like this. And press OK. Next, we are going to create 3D sketch. Go to sketch, select this plane. We have here 3D sketch. We will check it. And now we go here, create, and include 3D geometry. We will select this object to include, and now we will have this 3D sketch. We will finish sketch, go here, bodies, and hide this body. Now we have only this 3D sketch. So what we will do next? Next, we will create offset plane. Go here, we can click here, or we can go here and click offset plane. Now we want our plane to contain these 2 points, this point and this point. So we will offset this plane, and we know that diameter is 5 millimeters, so we will offset this plane for 2.5 millimeters. And now we got this plane, and we will click OK. Now in this plane we will create sketch. We will first uncheck this 3D sketch. We don't need 3D sketch anymore, so we will uncheck that, and we will create line. We have this point here, as you see, this point. I will go back to this view, and we will have this line 10 millimeters, and line one more line like this, 8 millimeters. Enter. And we will use this fillet for this edge. 2 millimeters fillet is okay. And we will finish this sketch. Now we have something like this. We will do the same with this point here. So we will again go to create sketch. Now we don't see this offset plane that we created. We will go here to construction and unhide this plane. So now we have this plane too, and we will select this plane to create this new sketch. Again, we go with the line. Line goes from this point 10 millimeters as we had on previous sketch, and 8 millimeters also as on our previous sketch, and click OK. Again, go to fillet. Fillet 2 millimeters is OK. Enter. And we will finish this sketch. What we can do now? We can use pipe command. So go to create and go here. Use pipe and select this sketch, and this. And we have our object created. Instead of circular section size, I will pick here 0.8 section size. So instead of circular, we can use triangular profile. So we now here we have triangle or square profile. We have it as square and it looks like that, but let's choose circular profile at this point and press OK. So we have our object created. But what if we want to use some other profile? So some profile that we don't have here. We will do something like this. So I will undo this. Now we are back to our 3D sketch and I will go here and create plane along path. We have to select path. I will select this path, move to the end of the path and press OK. Now we have this new plane. In this new plane, I will create sketch. So we don't see how it looks. Now I will just do something like this so that we know where we are. So we have this point here. I will go back to orthogonal view and I will create some other profile that we can use. Let's say this polygon. So we go create polygon and place center point here. We will type here number of sides we want. Let's say 5. If we want 9 or whatever, I will, for this example, I will type 5 sides and I will put this dimension 0.4 millimeters and enter. So we see that this sketch isn't constrained. I will use this horizontal constraint, press this edge, and now we have sketch fully constrained. I will finish sketch and we have something like this. Now we can use sweep command for profile. I will select this profile that we are just created, and for path I will select these sketches that we created. And now let's click OK. Now we have our object created from this new profile. So in this case, we can create profile that we need. So we can use pipe command if we want to have circular, square, or triangular profile. And if we want to have some other profile, we use sweep command. And of course, plane along path. If this video was interesting to you, and if you learned something, you can like it and share it. And you can subscribe to channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.